The Kailasahar Sub-Divisional Committee of the Ghana Mukti Parishad, the tribal wing affiliated with the CPIM, organized a massive rally today to ensure the success of its 23rd Sub-Divisional Conference. The rally saw the presence of several senior leaders from both the CPIM and the GMP, including LOP Jitendra Chaudhary and Radha Charan Debarma, Secretary of GMP. The demonstration commenced from the Suniti Bala Bhavan and proceeded through the main roads of Kailasahar town, mobilizing supporters and grabbing public attention. The rally culminated back at the Suniti Bala Bhavan, where the sub-divisional conference was subsequently held. The rally saw the presence of several senior leaders from both the CPIM and the GMP. Rajendra Riyang, Central Leader of the Ghana Mukti Parishad, Krishna Nendu Chaudhary, CPIM District Secretary, Vishwarup Goswami, State Committee Member and other local and regional leaders.
লড়াই চাই মহকুমা সম্মেলন থেকে আওয়াজ তুলুন ত্রিপুরা রাজ্যের শান্তি সম্প্রীতি স্বার্থে জিএমপি মজুরি 340 টাকা করার প্রতিশ্রুতি কোথায় গেল? যুগ নামাজ বিজেপি ত্রিপুরা রাজ্যের ঠাই নাই।
Pure Report, Chini Khorang.